Someone threw Krispy Kreme donuts away. That's a nice Mercedes. Coffee and food. Yeah, I know. Whoa. Did I just hear what I heard? She said she was swelling. Never mind. I didn't really want to repeat it. Something about hoeing though. Interesting. Ooh, that's fast. Oh yeah, it's a speakeasy, huh?
Isn't that where that clinic used to be that you went to one time?
No, I think it's further down that way. It's a double. Not much going on. It's not. Interesting. Skate shop. we're on the corner of Gardiner and Melrose Avenue. This is where the Marathon Burger is. There's the address. So it took me about, I would say, an hour from when I started. The line started over here. It took me about an hour altogether from waiting in line and ordering my food. And from the time I got my food, I say altogether it was probably like a good hour and 45 minutes. The food was really good though. R.I.P. Nip. So that was opened by Black Sam, who is Nipsey Hussle's brother. It's called the Marathon Burger. Specialize in like smash burgers. They got wings, fries, onion rings. With the Nipsey mural right there, and Kobe. Food was good. I would recommend it. I would just say there's gonna be at least have like about an hour to 2 hour wait.
You're live streaming or vlogging?
No, I'm just vlogging at the moment. Yeah.
Keep it up, bro.
Appreciate you. But
What did you pay for that one? 2K now. 2K.
damn, that fool just paid 2K for his bag. Yeah, it does. What is that, Cool Kicks? Yep, we just passed Cool Kicks. And after the Cookies. Haven't been to this spot. I wonder how good it is. Probably expensive. Main reason I came out here was just to try out the Marathon Burger, just because it opened a couple days ago. Check out those paintings real quick. It's pretty tight. Which one? Oh yeah, they're all at the top.
Totally wear the jacket.
Should we just cross and go back that way? Which one? That one? The rainbow or the white one? Yeah, that'd be cool, huh? See what I guess technically what I am doing is vlogging. I usually just be like walking tours, but I guess technically it is. But appreciate that guy.
Slept at the same time with the same bed.
No, huh? I know. I just wanted to see what it says though. You got rich nerds over there. Got a thrift shop. The Grillist. I wonder if that was like somewhere that does your teeth. That one place. Yeah.
Oh, for your grill?
I think that's what it is. Gibbon, CBS. I'm gonna start buying my clothes out here. Said I'm gonna start buying my clothes out here. Damn, that's just nice.
Yeah, it's like
Clean.
right place, wrong.
Ace of Spades. Go get fade. Burgers, fries, wings, and milkshakes. So good you'll double up. But, damn, those. I think so. Damn, son. So good you'll double up. LA's favorite burger. Hell no. This used to be a good, what was it? It was Italian food, huh? Ah. Yeah, we got pizza from there. Nope. That's done with. Welcomes, walk-ins, Black Anchor, tattoo. A lot of these places are closed now. Yeah. But Soldier Boy, what the fuck? See, there you go. LA's favorite burger. 7507 Melrose Avenue. How is this? Wasted land? Crazy ass shit out here. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one.